Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another epic Ulta haul because I went in there the other day and they had so many new arrivals that I couldn't control myself, and I just justified that it is my birthday soon, and so I was just kind of birthday shopping. We're just going to go with that. I had a ton of Ulta rewards points that I was able to exchange, which was great. And hi pups. So yeah, oh, you want to say hi to Murphy? Isn't that a sweet boy? He's so sweet. He's just the sweetest boy in all the world, isn't he? Yes, he is. All right, we're going to jump right into the haul. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay well. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into the haul. I'm having a very questionable hair day today, and it's irritating me, so forgive my hair. I don't know what's happening with it. Some pieces are wanting to curl, some are not. It's probably because, I don't know what's wrong with my hair today. So we're going to just ignore the hair. Let's jump into it. I'm just going to kind of grab things as I see them. So the first are these new Bobbi Brown Enriched Pressed Powders. Now, I just recently bought the Enriched, didn't I? I think I did. The Enriched Face foundation or tinted foundation. I like don't know where it went. I'm like looking for it. I recently just bought this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched skin tint. I love their vitamin enriched skin, like skin base. I love the eye cream. I love the serum. So I bought this. This is in medium 1. I don't think I actually showed this in a haul, so I guess I'll show it now because I feel like I did not show it in my last haul. So it is a skin tint. I got medium 1. It's supposed to be SPF 15, have vitamin D and cactus flower in it. Multitasking skin tint that instantly evens skin, nourishes with a blend of vitamins B, C, and E, plus hydrating pro vitamin D and cactus flower for a fresh, healthy looking complexion. So I want to try this because I really do want to get more comfortable with having less foundation on. I just like, I'm a full glam girl, but my goal is like this summer to learn how to be okay with like the less is more makeup. I have hair on me somewhere. I just feel like I look better full glam than I do like natural makeup, but I want to try. So this is medium 1. Don't mind the fact that my hands are 400 shades darker than my face. The self tanner took to the rest of my body, but did not take to my face. Do not understand why that is. So medium 1. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you've smelt the Bobbi Brown face base, then you know the smell. It's yummy. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm probably going to try it either on here on YouTube or in like a TikTok, Instagram reel or something. So if you're not following me on those other social medias, like I do post a lot on there that you don't see on here. So my Instagram is Shades of Cassie. My TikTok is Cassie Thatcher. There's a hair. There's always a hair. My dog Finn just always wants to leave me with his fuzz. They just come out with the serum, which I'm obsessed with. They also came out with these new powders. So I got neutral and golden brown. So I got neutral as just like an all over face powder, just a neutral colored powder. They also have, I think, a peach color and maybe a pink. I don't know. I just thought that one would be really good to just set all over the face. And then I got this one to use as a bronzer. And this one is called Golden Brown. And that one, it's kind of hard to swatch because it's just like kind of like a translucent powder. But this one has a really nice brown tone to it. And I figured, well, it's super soft and buttery and like maybe it'd make as a nice bronzer. So tried to use that as a little bronzer action. Next I was so excited because I saw somebody review this on Instagram or TikTok, and it's the new CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence, and it's supposed to be a dupe for, I think, the Chanel, and I could not find them anywhere. Like I couldn't find them online. They were sold out everywhere. So they just like had these in a random spot in Ulta, like in the CoverGirl section, but not like, I think they were like in the eyeshadow, like they stuck them in like all the eyeshadow slots. So I have the shade light and medium, and I figured I'd probably mix the two. Let's swatch them together because I have not swatched them yet. So they have like these little bead bubbles in there that will pop, I'm assuming. Okay, so this one is light. Oh my gosh, my hand looks so tan. And then as you rub it in, it like pops all the little bead bubbles. And I can't even remember who I saw review this, but it looked so pretty that I was like, okay, let's try it. Okay, and then this one is medium. It's so weird. Like, it looks almost wrong. You know what I mean? Like look at that. It almost looks like a foundation has gone bad and like separated. Well, there's medium, there's light. I'm excited to try these. I don't really know quite what to expect. Like I said, I think I saw one review, and then I obviously saw them on social media, and that everyone was saying they were trying to get their hands on them. So super excited to give these a go. They are, they have Bacachul, with, I think that's how you say it, Bacachul. That is like a retinol alternative. Hydro Fresh Skin Tint. That's by CoverGirl. Then I got 2 colors of the Revolution Skin Silk. I saw, her name is Michaela on TikTok, review this. And then Instagram said it wasn't coming out for a couple more days, but my Ulta had these, which is shocking because my Ulta never has like things early. So I have F10 and F7. I literally thought I was going to have to mix the 2, but honestly, I'm going to have to return F7. This is actually the foundation I have on my face today because I'm doing a wear test of this foundation. So let me show you the swatches. So that's F7, that one's F10. I'm really excited to see how this wears. I've had it on for several hours at this point. I'm almost at 6 hours with no touch-ups. So super excited about this foundation. Definitely hard to pick your color though, because as you can see, that's all you can see. It's just like a tiny little color peeking through a frosted glass bottle. Last face product that I got, or like foundation type product, is the Hourglass Veil Hydrating Skin Tint. I have just heard people talk so highly about this. I remember I bought it when it first came out and I tried it and I was like, I don't get the hype. But I've also like changed a lot of things in like makeup and stuff in my mind. Like how I'm doing things are a little bit different than I was when this first came out. Does that make sense? Like, you know how sometimes, like even like with perfumes, right? Like you might not like a scent and then your perfume style changes and you're like, oh, actually, I really like that. Like I used to not understand sparkly eyeshadows that had no like base to them. And then now it's like, I live for just a sparkle to put on my eye. Shade 9, which when I swatched in the store seemed like it would be a good shade, especially because my neck is typically tanner. So I need something that's going to, oh yeah, that's a good shade. That's shade 9. And I think it will look good on the face because it's not like a super, super full coverage, obviously. It's a skin tint. So it might just help make my face match my neck a little bit better from self-tanning. So I'm excited to try it. Have you guys tried the Hourglass or the Bobbi Brown? What were your thoughts? Let me know in the comments because I'm very, very excited to try them. All right, the next are these new Smashbox Halo palettes. They came out with 4. I bought the 2 lightest shades. This first one is Back to Cali. These do not swatch good, so I'm not even gonna bother finger swatching them because they do not swatch well on the hand. But I actually have this on my face today, and I filmed a TikTok and a reel applying this, but it's what's on my skin today. So if you wanna see how they apply, just check out TikTok or Instagram, they'll be on there. So this one is Back to Cali. And then this one is called Pink Saturation. So you do get 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight. So this was the lightest, and then the other one I just showed you was the next one, and then there was 2 deeper shades. So super pretty. Next are these 2 lipsticks. I think they're new. They looked like they were in a new section, and it is from Buxom, and they're called the Full On Plumping Lipstick, and they're both a satin finish. So I have Skin Tease. I love the shape of the bullet. So we have Skin Tease, which is like a light nude, and then Juicy Peach. And Juicy Peach is not very peachy. Like that's Juicy Peach. So it's more of like a mauve-y pink, but I just felt like they were super pretty. They have a little bit of plump to them. And I just thought that they'd be a nice lipstick to make a fun combo with. Heat Fenty lip gloss, because I saw a girl on TikTok do this combination. Hers looked way more pink than it's showing up on me, but it's Anastasia Chai then Rare Beauty Elevate, and then this on top. So I tried to recreate it. I feel like hers looked way more pink, but anyways, this is Heat. I do not like the smell of these, but I don't feel like the plump is bad, but the smell is like not my favorite. But it's just a pretty color. This one is called Hot Cherry. It's Anastasia lip liner in the shade Rosewood. I'm trying to like go out of my normal lip liners that I've been using, but I think Rosewood is a really nice neutral. That with this one would be really pretty. Hi, puppy. Oh, we got Finn here. Come here, you want to say hi? Yes, sweet boys. This one is the one that gets dog hair in everything of my life. He is my hairy one. All right, then I got another one of these e.l.f. dual side brushes. They're my favorite. I love them. I picked up a Rem Beauty. I don't own a single REM or Rem. It's Ariana Grande's brand. I don't own a single one of her makeup items. And this is the lip liner in Ad Libs. And it's very similar to the other one I just showed you. Picked up 3 of the brow pencils in Cold Brew. It's my favorite brow pencil ever. They have been sold out for so long. It's by Morphe. I love it, and they literally for months have not had it. The next thing I got was this Kat Von D Tattoo pencil liner. It's supposed to be a long wear gel liner, and I have it in the shade Tiger Eye Brown. I got this for my upper lash line and even my waterline because it's supposed to be long wearing. Just a nice brown. I've been doing like shadow for my upper lash line, which you guys know me, I love my liquid liner. So that's been a little different that I've been trying to do. And then I have 2 more lip liners. I've already gone through, I think 2 or 3 of these actually. I vividly remember talking about them in several empties. This is Hush Hush Henna from Buxom, and I just really like this color. I love the lip liner. It's this one right here. So it's a little bit more pinky. It's a little more pinky than the redwood color. So that one is Hush Hush Henna. Their lip liners are really great. And then I got BFF3. There was actually this girl in Ulta. Well, not girl. She was like a woman. Like, I don't know, probably in her late 40s, early 50s. And she was looking for a brown liner. She's like, do you work here? And I was like, no, but I can probably help you. She's like, well, I want a brown lip liner. And I was like, okay. So anyways, I found her a couple different ones. And then I found this one. And she's like, can you put these other ones back? Like, I don't work here, but sure. So this is BFF3. And I just thought this was a really nice brown lip liner. So I'm excited to play with that and see what I can come up with. I've been filming lip combo videos on TikTok and Instagram. So if you love lip combos, then make sure you follow me over there. I know I've mentioned, I'm like doing so many shameless plugs, but like I've been doing so much over on those other platforms. It's been super fun. If you love perfume, my friend Sam Sherman and I started a perfume TikTok called With Sam and Cass. So if you love perfume, follow us over there. Instagram and TikTok, it's With Sam and Cass. Then e.l.f. came out with these new blushes. I picked out a couple shades. I already have a video on them. So I loved them so much I got a couple more of the lighter shades. So this one is Peach Perfect, and it's like a pale peach. They're like very pigmented. This one is, what are you called? Suave Mauve. And right there. Super pretty. And then the other colors I have are like much brighter. But that is it for my Ulta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. What kind of videos do you guys want to see? Let me know. Hauls are obviously like super fun for me to film, and I love sharing like new products that are coming out. But I have a foundation first impression wear test of this foundation coming out. I have the new e.l.f. Hydrating CC foundation first impression coming out. I also will be doing this one, the Hourglass, and the Bobbi Brown. So those will be coming up. I don't really do tutorials anymore because I just do my eye makeup the same way every time, that I just feel like it's boring. The only thing I change up is the colors, but the technique of where I put my eyeshadow is literally the same every single time. So I don't really like to do eyeshadow tutorials. Plus, I feel like they never get views. Like I'll get a few requests for them and then I'll post it and they're like the least watched videos and they're the most time consuming ones to film. So you guys let me know, what do you want to see? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.